Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can organize the member list on your Discord server. And in order to organize members, you can do that through the roles. In order to give a role to a specific member, all you need to do is right click the person, and then over here at the bottom you will find roles where you can select which roles should the person have on your server. You can also go to the roles, so let's click on the server name, server settings, and we have roles over here. Now we can select any role that we want to, and then we can go to manage members over here, and here we can click add members in order to add any member or members that we want to have them in that role, and then we can press add in order to finalize the process. Of course, if you want to remove them, then we can click remove member and then confirm. And this is how you can pretty much manage the member list, because obviously the member list is organized through the roles. So if I want to, let's say, put some people at the top, then of course they should be in the roles which are on the top in the hierarchy list over here. So I'm gonna use bots as an example. So over here I have 3 bots. Let's separate the role members on the members list. This is how you can also organize the members list. In every role has this option in display role members separately from online members. If I do that, then of course they will be separated by the role name. So over here we have not funny people. If I go back to the roles, now I'm gonna go with funny people, and then I'm gonna click this option again to enable it. And now I'm gonna add a member. So I'm gonna use, let's say, this bot as an example. I'm gonna add him, and even though this bot is in two roles, as you can see over here, it is in funny people and not funny people. It will be displayed in the funny people. It will be separated, as you can see over here. So the reason for that is really simple. Funny people is higher in the role hierarchy than not funny people. So also keep that in mind. Even if the bot has 2 or even more roles, then if the roles are separated on the member list, then the person or the bot will be shown in the role that is higher in the hierarchy. And that's how you can organize the member list. So if you want to have certain people at the top, like I said, then you should give them roles which are also higher in the hierarchy, and they should also be separated in the member list by enabling this option, display role members separately from online members. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.